Good morning students. Now today we'll do study of lesson 10 training in sports. So what is sports training? Sports training means the process of preparation for some task. But here our main task is fitness and conditioning for achieving high performance in games and sports. So it is called sports training. So here we can see other definitions of sports training. Sports training is the basic form of preparation of a sports person. And now we'll come to aims of sports training. There are following aims of sports training: development of physique, development of technical and tactical efficiency, conditioning of body for specific sports, to improve physical fitness of the individual. And now we will come to strength. Strength is the conditional ability which can be improved to a considerable extent by training. It is defined as the ability of muscles to overcome or act against resistance. So here is three types of strength: explosive strength, maximal strength and endurance strength. So first we will go through explosive strength. Explosive strength, it is a combination of strength and speed abilities. It can be defined as the ability to overcome resistance with high speed. Explosive strength is important in most of the sports. It is generally used in sprint start, shot put, hammer throw, long jump, high jump, etc. And now we will come to maximum strength. It is the ability to overcome maximum resistance. It is important only for those sports in which heavy resistance has to be tackled. Example, weightlifting, throws, etc. In such a case, one has to overcome maximum resistance in his efforts. And now we will come to strength endurance. It is also a product of two motor abilities, that is strength and endurance. Ability to overcome resistance under condition of fatigue is strength endurance. Example, boxing, weight training, dumbbell exercises, cycling, build running and circuit training can help to develop strength endurance. And now we will come to strength developing exercises. So there are three types of strength developing exercises: isometric exercise, isotonic exercise and isokinetic exercise. So first we will come to isometric exercise. These isometric exercises were first introduced by Hattinger and Muller. Isometric is derived from Latin word which means same length. On these exercises, joint angle and muscle length do not change. In these strength training exercises, there is no change in the length of the contracting muscles. As a result, there is no movement of the joint is there. Examples of these exercises are pressing or pushing the wall, lifting very heavy weight, holding the static position, pulling rope in tug of war, arm wrestling, etc. And now we will come to isotonic exercises. The isotonic exercises were developed by D. Long in 1945. It derived from Latin word that means same tension. This type of muscles contraction is also called dynamic contraction. In this type of exercises, movement occur at the joint and then the muscles lengthen or shorten alternately. Some work is done during these exercises like jumping, running, doing skills, lifting weight, doing any action with movement, etc. And now we will come to isokinetic exercises. Isokinetic strength training exercises were introduced by J.J. Perrin in 1968. It is derived from Latin word that means same motion. By fixing the number of repetition and by reducing or increasing the speed, the isokinetic exercises can be used effectively for the development of strength. With the help of these exercises, explosive strength and strength endurance can also be improved. Examples of such exercises are chin-ups, rope climbing, Roman rings or parallel bars in gymnastics, treadmills, running, cycling, etc. And now we will come to endurance. Endurance is the ability to do sports movement with the desired quality and speed under condition of fatigue. Endurance is basically of two types: short-term or anaerobic or muscular endurance, and second, long-term aerobic or cardiovascular endurance. So first we'll come to short-term or anaerobic endurance. It is needed in sports where the action or movement is only for short duration. Example, wrestling. And now what is long-term or aerobic endurance? Long-term endurance, it is needed in sports where the action of movement is for longer duration. Example, road cycling in long distance races.